Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate your washing machine. In my case today I'm going to show you another program that I'm going to use. In my previous videos I told you about this rinsing and plus spin. So this will help you achieve the goal I want to achieve. So you can see right there I have my duvet. I've cleaned it very well, but I want to remove the water, then fully remove all the dirt that I used manually. So what I'm going to do here is very simple. I'm going to go ahead and load. I've not connected the electricity yet. I'm going to put in the wet duvet that you have seen. So what happens here, you open. So before opening, you're going to do something. I've brought some, I've spent some time without operating the machine. So I can feel it has some moisture inside. So as you can see, so this is the part that I wanted to clean here. So this part here, make sure that you clean it. As you can see, this is too dirty. So whenever I put in my duvet and I've cleaned it from outside, it can go ahead and capture some dirt from here. Then I'm going to remove it. So as you can see, it's very dirty. So whenever I operate your washing machine, so you just think about this video. Whenever I want to do clean, so remove the dirt from here. So I feel like now it is fine inside. Put the duvet in. So I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, then I put the duvet in. So as you can see, I have my duvet of 6x6. It is still heavy, and we have a washing machine of 7 kg. This won't work in washing it completely. It's better to clean it from outside. So in this video I'm going to show you how. So there's some water here, but we have removed the dirt. So I'm going to put it in like this, slowly. Just can feel this water. Water is not dirty, but my goal here fit in gently. So I've done this before, and this as you can see. So in this process I don't have to use the detergents, the soap. So this is how it's going to spin from inside. So for me, I want to remove the water so that can dry quickly. So I told you about the dirt. Finds it here normally. So you may think you washed it very correct, but to meet the dirt here, because that's where it goes when you get to wash very dirty clothing. So after here, you have to make sure that you have pushed it well inside. And after here, you're going to close. Just move it inside a bit. so don't worry about that for the lock. So I'm going to pause, then I connect the electricity. So I've pushed it in, yeah, very well. Then after here, you're going to close and it won't be able to push back so I'm going to come here again. So let me come closer. So what you see here, I've connected the power, and you have to make sure you have a very safe power port, yeah, that can handle the load. So after here, we're going to go ahead and put it on where it starts from, the off. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it here, the knob too. This is going to 15 minutes. So for the delay, I'm going to use 30 minutes. Yeah, this is going to go ahead and clean and remove and help me on completing the wash that I did from outside the washing machine. So the washing machine can also do this. So I'm going to go ahead and start the machine. So with the options, you can go up to 42 minutes. So my case here, I'm going to do 30 minutes. Yeah, it's going to remove all the dirty. Yeah, you can see the water. I cleaned it, but I could not be able to remove it, to remove the dirt with my hands because it is too heavy. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and stop from here and do a time lapse for this, I guess. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon if this video is helpful. So whenever I do this, I have to make sure that remove almost all the water to help the machine. My case here, I didn't put a lot of water. Yeah.